What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to share your resume as a link. Step 1. Prepare your resume. Ensure your resume is saved as a PDF for easy viewing and compatibility. Step 2. Upload to Google Drive or TinyHost. For Google Drive, log in, click on New and then File Upload and select your resume PDF. For TinyHost, go to tiny.host, drag and drop your PDF and choose a custom link name. Step 3. Set permissions and copy link. Google Drive, click Share, set access to anyone with the link and copy the link. TinyHost, after publishing, copy the generated public link or QR code. Step 4. This is optional, shorten the link. For a cleaner look, use a tool like Bitly or tinyurl to create a shorter URL for your resume link. Step 5. Share the link. Paste your resume link in emails, applications, social media, or messaging apps. Make sure you test the link to confirm it opens your resume properly. And that's how you make your resume a shareable link. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.